This is the example that we will be using to describe the system of equations using one circle and one line. The first equation is the equation of a line, and the second equation is the equation of a circle. We can solve this equation by first changing the second equation to equal so that it would equal y equals negative x minus 3. To do that, you would take the second equation, x squared plus y squared equals 17, and then change it so that it would become y squared equals negative x squared plus 17. Since y already equals negative x minus 3 in this equation, we can plug that equation into the second equation, the circle equation. So it says here x squared plus y, which is in this case negative x minus 3 squared equals 17. From that we can solve the equation by going x squared plus negative x minus 3 negative x minus 3 equals 17. That would mean that x squared plus x squared plus 6x plus 9 would equal 17. X, because we add these two values, would be 2x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 17. 2x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 17, which is negative 8, equals 0. We can divide both sides by 2 to get x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. From this, we can get that x minus 1 times x plus 4 equals 0. Therefore, x equals negative 4 and x equals 1. This means that the final point has to have 4 as an x. So x, y is the point value. So we could plug it in as 4, comma, we don't know yet. And then it would also be 1, comma, blank. To find the y, you would need to plug this back into the x values into one of the equations again. So if we plug in x for the first equation, the line equation, that would be y equals negative 4 minus 3, which means that y equals 4 minus 3. Y equals 1. We have the first value of y. So our first point that we have found is that negative 4 is negative 4, 1. Next, we need to plug in 1 to the same equation. Y equals negative 1 minus 3. So that would equal y equals negative 4. So for 1, it would mean that for when x is 1, y is negative 4. So our final answer would be that x, comma y are the intersection points. Then the intersection points of this following example would be negative 4, comma 1, and 1, comma negative 4. These are the answers. And there you have it, the system of equations for one circle and one line.